Hello students, good afternoon everybody. Now we can see exercise 1.5 in number system. Okay ma? See the first question. Malini bought 3 ribbons of length. They have given the length of the 3 ribbons. Find the total length. Here we have to add. Okay ma? So see the solution and write in your tab note. And the final answer will be the total length of the ribbons 36.06 meter. Okay students, see the question number 2. Chitra has bought 10 kg 35 gram of ghee for preparing sweets. She used to 8 kg 59 gram of ghee. How much ghee will be left? So we have to here subtract. Okay, first of all write total weight of the ghee and used ghee, and final answer will be the left out remaining ghee. Okay ma? See the solution and write down in your tab note. See the question number 3. If the capacity of milk can is 2.53 liter, then how much milk is required to fill 8 such cans? Solution. What we have to do here? Yes, we have to multiply. Okay ma? Capacity of one milk can 2.53 liter. Then capacity of 8 milk cans, multiply with the 8, we get the final answer 20.24 liter of milk. Okay ma? See the fourth question. A basket of orange weighs 22.5 kg. If each family requires 2.5 kg of orange, families, how many families they have, how many families can share? There is the question. How many families? There is how many left out here ma? See in your tab book. There is how many families can share. A basket of orange weighs. A basket full of orange ma. If each family requires 2.5, so we have to divide this and we can find out the number of families. Okay ma? So division, we have to do division here. First of all, you write the total weight and write down the each family requirement. Okay ma? Then divide it by the requirement, we get the number of families. Okay, see the solution and write down in your note. If you have any doubt, you can come tomorrow and meet me in school. Okay ma? Next week have monthly exam. The portion will be unit 1 fully. Okay students, listen carefully. Question number 5. A baker uses 3.924 kg of sugar to bake 10 cakes of equal size. How much sugar is used to each cake? 10 cakes of sugar required. A baker bakes 3 kg of sugar. 10 cakes of equal size. There is how many cakes ma? 10 cakes. How much sugar is used in each cake? So we have to divide by 10, isn't it? Then move easily, you can move the point to the left hand side. Then there will be 0.3. Okay, 0.3924 kg. We can do it very easily. See the question number 6. Evaluate. First subdivision 26.13 multiplied by 4.6. See the solution ma? There is 2 decimal place, here 1 decimal place. First of all you multiply normally, and in final answer you have to move 3 for 3 decimal place. You have to put the decimal point to the 3 decimal place from the left of the number. Okay ma? From the right to left. Okay. See the second subdivision 3.628 plus 31.73. First of all you add the number and then you subtract the number. Okay ma? You get the final answer 33.258. See the question number 7. Murugan bought some bags of vegetables. Each bag weighs 20.55 kg. The total weight of the all bags is this 308.25. How many bags did he buy? You have to subtract here. It's very simple, ma. First you have to write total weight of all bags, then weight of each bag, then divided by total weight by weight of one bag. You write it down and convert it into fraction form and write it the reciprocal, and simply you cut it. Simplifying, you get the answer 15. So number of bags will be 15. Okay, ma. Cut it down with 5. The common factor 5. Okay. You copy this division and simplification in the rough column in your time note. Okay, see the question number 8. A man walks around a circular park of distance 23.761 meter. How much distance will he cover it? 100 rounds. So this is very easy one, simple multiplication. So you can move the decimal point towards the right of the number. So answer will be 2376.1 meter. Okay, ma. Simple answer. The 10th one. A printer can print 15 pages per minute. A printer can print. Sorry, there is one more. I left it down. The 9th question, ma. How much 0.0543 is greater than this decimal number? So we have to subtract here, ma. Write it down and copy it in your time note. See the 10th question. A printer can print 15 pages per minute. How many pages can it print in 4.6? They have given per minute. That means 1 minute. In 1 minute, the pages printed, the printed pages will be 15. Then in 4.6, we have to multiply 4.6 with the 15. So we get the answer 69 pages. Okay, ma. We can see in the next video the challenge problems. Thank you.